Okay. Umalis yung roommate ko. Ngayon, paano pag sinabi ko, meron akong sikreto. Paano paliitin? Hindi yung titi niya. May sikreto, paano paliitin yung file size ng video at the same time, ma-retain o di kaya konti na yung loss sa quality. Ready na? Game. Okay, so welcome to Adobe Premiere Pro CC 2019. Let's say you finish up all your edits, you added your color grade, and also you're done with your sound design, sound effects, whatever, and you're pretty much ready to go. I'm gonna suggest 3 settings for you. For Windows users, either choose AVI or DNxHD, and for Mac users, just choose QuickTime Apple ProRes for preview. For this video, I'm gonna go with DNxHD, and since my video is 1080p, I'm going to use the 1080p preset. And then hit export. Okay, once this is done, you're going to need a program called Handbrake. I'm going to leave a link at the description below. Okay, so we're done. This is the file. You're just going to need this program called Handbrake. And just drag and drop. Choose this preset. Change the frame rate to whatever you're using. If you have a beefy computer, choose placebo. If not, just go with very slow. And start encoding. And Handbrake is finished. Then let's check it out. So from 2 GB, we have a video that's been compressed into 174 megabytes. So there you have it. So if you need any more tips, tutorial, just leave it in the comments. And thanks for watching.